Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best grill mats in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you're looking for a grill mats that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these grill mats, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. At number 1 we have the Kitchen Plus Home Barbecue Grill Mats. No more scrubbing grill grates every time you cook. Grill your meat, vegetables, fish, shrimp, pizza, kebabs, even pancakes, bacon and eggs without using cooking oil. Our mat sits right over your grill grates, preventing your food from calling through the cracks. The mat turns your grill into griddle, so you can even cook your food in marinade with no dripping sauce or flare-ups. Our grill mats work with any kind of barbecue grill, charcoal, propane, gas, electric, or can be cut to any size to fit your needs. Don't settle for thin barbecue grill mats made of inferior materials that curl, crack, smoke or releases chemicals. The unique patented coating outlasts traditional mats and can handle temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Thicker than most mats to last you years, but thin enough to see your grill marks in your steak. Stop wasting money on aluminum foil or other disposable grill covers. Our grill mats are not only 100% non-stick, but they are reversible and reusable, saving you money for years to come. Perfect for those nasty campground or park grills. Our grill mats are PFOA and BPA free. Made from 100% PTFE non-stick coated fabric, this set of 2 barbecue grill mats measure 15.75 x 13. Quickly hand wash with soap and water or stick in the dishwasher, top rack only, to use over and over again. At number 2 we have the Kona XL Best Grill Mat. Introducing Kona XL Best Grill Mat. Top rated and far more superior than other grill mats and liners. The one and only 600 degree peak temperature PFOA free barbecue grill and smoke mat. Kona is the thickest at 0.39 mm. That is 4x thicker than Yoshi Grill Mat and 2x thicker than Miracle Grill Mat. Kona non-stick grill mats can be used over 1,000 uses per side, that's 50 times more uses than ordinary grilling mats, and why they are used by top amateur grill masters and professional chefs worldwide. Cut to fit any size grill, flat tops and sandwich grills too. Cleanly and easily grill the juiciest steaks, smoke the tenderest chicken and sauté the thinnest cut vegetables with ease. Forget grill baskets and other accessories. These mats also keep your Weber, Traeger, char-broil, Kamado, steak grilling pan, etc. looking shiny new. Best of all, you automatically get our no-hassle 7-year Kona grilling accessories guarantee, which even covers accidental overheating. At number 3 we have the Alcon Grill Mat. A favorite of barbecue lovers, our grill mats can keep your food from falling between the grates or sticking to the grill, and oil drips onto the wood carbon to create smoke. Our grill mat is very smooth and will not stick to food easily. It makes you look like a pro. Enjoy a better barbecue. Easy to clean and high temperature resistant. Our grill mat is very easy to clean. When you finish the barbecue, you just need to wash it with clean water and dry it in the sun. Then you don't need to worry about dirty barbecue grill. They can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and will not burn. Keep your family safe with a brand you can trust. Security assurances: it has passed FDA and LFGB food grade certification, which is harmless to food and makes your diet healthier. Thicker grill mats does not mean better. We have tested it numerous times to get the best thickness we can get at the moment, and to ensure enough heat resistance so that the food you grill will still taste better. Multi-purpose: while you're baking or microwaving your food, you can also use our grill mat instead of a plate to keep food from falling off and contaminating your device. It can be reused and has a long service life of at least 100 times. No need to others barbecue mats. Best of all, best value in barbecue grill accessories. If you're not completely satisfied. At number 4 we have the Gorillaholics Grill Mat. Introducing Gorillaholics Grill Mat. Our grill mat is thin enough to leave grill marks and flavor intact, yet thick enough to provide ultimate heat resistance and durability. With our lifetime replacement guarantee, 2 mats is all you'll ever need. Never buy another grill mat again. Multi-purpose, our cooking mat works with any kind of barbecue grill, Weber, charbroil, big green egg, smoker, charcoal, propane, gas, or electric. Better than any grill pan or basket, our mat can be cut to any size or shape to fit any need. Also doubles as a bake mat. No mess, never barbecue on a nasty, dirty grill grate again. Keeps your food from falling between the grates or sticking to the grill. In no time, you'll be grilling like a pro. Reusable and dishwasher safe, makes cleanup a breeze. Safe, these grill toppers are made from premium heat-resistant PTFE fiberglass coating and contain no PFOA, silicone, or other harmful chemicals. They can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and will not burn. Keep your family safe with a brand you can trust. Top Chef approved, the only grill mat recommended by Rachel Ray and Chris Kimball. Best value in barbecue grill accessories. Try yours risk-free before we sell out. Consider getting two, one for you and one for your very best friend. At number 5 we have the Kona Best Barbecue Grill Mat. New winter sale. Stock up now and save a bundle with our Kona grill and baking mat sale. These grill accessories are unique barbecue gifts men and barbecue lovers truly enjoy. Play button. Also try the Kona XL grill mat, covers an entire 4-burner grill. Far more superior than other grill mats. The one and only 600-degree peak temperature PFOA-free barbecue grill and smoke mat. Kona is the thickest at 0.39 millimeters. That is 4x thicker than Yoshi grill mat and 2x thicker than Miracle grill mat. Kona non-stick grill mats can be used over 1,000 uses per side, that's 50 times more uses than ordinary grilling mats, and why they are used by top amateur grill masters and professional chefs worldwide. Cleanly and easily grill the juiciest steaks, smoke the tenderest chicken and sauté the thinnest cut vegetables with ease. Forget grill baskets and other accessories. These mats also keep your Weber, Traeger, char-broil, Kamado, steak grilling pan, etc. looking shiny new. Best of all, you automatically get our no-hassle 7-year Kona grilling accessories guarantee, which even covers accidental overheating.